Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to use the quick selection tools and then to cut off an image from the existing background and just shift this cut off image to a new background. Okay, let's start now. Okay, we're going to use the quick selection tool here. Come here and then click this and then come to the area you need and just right click and hold the mouse and move around to the area you need. Alright, okay. You need this, right? You need this, right? Okay. Okay, then we're done. So we just zoom in to have a close look on this. Okay, this area we need to remove, right? So we come to here, subtract from selection, and then we come to here, just move around, remove this area, and press the space bar, and move, and move, move. Okay, maybe a little bit here. Okay, click on this, just increase a little bit. Alright, and then we come to here. Okay, we're going to remove this area, right? Okay, we come to here, subtract from selection. Okay, we just do delation a little bit, press the space bar, continue move down. Okay, we're okay here, we're okay here. Alright, okay, I think we are done. Okay, all good. Alright, okay, just zoom out. Okay, we come to here and lock this layer, and then what we're going to do now is like we just press the shift control I and we do the reverse selection, and from here, okay, and then we come to the edit and cut. So we already cut off this image. Okay, this is good. Let's come to the select all. We select the whole image, then we come to this edit, copy this image, then we come to this new background here, and then we just come to the edit and paste it. Alright, we just move down to match to this new background. Okay, so this cut off image has been pasted onto the new background. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.